All right, it's time for a crypto unboxing because I've got the brand new Coinmine One.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition.
Who's bad?
It's larger than I expected it to be. And I'm gonna say about 8 to 10 pounds. Kind of like an Xbox. Here's your on button, power supply down here, and there's the rear. You can see fans, and that's it. Comes with a serial number, which I am covering, and a power cord. This is all that's in the box. It says, this is your Coinmine One. There are many like it, but this one is yours. It will be your sidekick in a new world that we're building together. By powering crypto networks, you'll be rewarded with crypto and you'll help build a world where value and information flow freely. Just plug it in, connect, and power a new world. So, first thing I'm supposed to do is plug it in. So I'm actually gonna plug it in right here in my living space. I mean, if it's not loud, it can stay here. Next step is to download the app. I have powered on the device. It's alive. There's the app. Let's open it up. First thing I need to do is create an account. After registering, the wallet is up. I can either, and it says I've got 0 sats right now, true. Buy a device or add a device. So I'm gonna add a device, plug in and power on your device. Done. How would you like to connect? Wi-Fi. Searching for your Coinmine. Press join when prompted to connect to the Coinmine hotspot. And connect. Choose currency. Okay, so what do I want to mine? Ethereum, Monero, Zcash, Grin, or Bitcoin. Currently, Ethereum has the highest ROI. Don't worry, you can always change this. Well, let's go ahead and go with that then. We'll pick Ethereum. Okay, then I confirm right down here. And there we go. We're off to the races, and the coin miner is now mining. There it goes. Let there be cryptos. Stay bad.